School principal targeted in gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A school principal was this morning the target of a gun attack off Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. The principal of the Richards Infant and Preschool on Red Hills Road in the parish was not injured. However, the police believe that she was the target of the attack, which happened after 6 a.m. on Sunrise Crescent on Thursday morning. The gunman reportedly pulled up on a motorcycle next to the vehicle she was in and fired shots. However, no one was injured in the attack. The school, which is located on the same property as the St. Richard's Primary School, has reportedly suspended classes for the day. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with a more comprehensive report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.